in this session we are learning about the last curve, that is light activated SCR. Okay, this is a modification of SCR in which the turn on process, means we know that the SCR consists of four layers: P1, N1, P2, N2. Okay, here is the gate, here is cathode, this is anode, and by providing a positive pulse to the gate, the SCR is turned on. Okay, so to achieve the activation or this high pulse, okay, using light, that becomes the light activated SCR. Activated SCR receives the rays or the light, okay, which converts the means light energy into the electrical energy, and the trigger is received, and according to that the SCR gets turned on. Okay, uh, the symbol is like this: anode, cathode, and gate. Of course there are three terminals. Okay, so anode, cathode, gate, and the arrow shows that it is a light activated. So if you have question that if the it is starting or it is turned on by using the light, okay, then what is the purpose of gate terminal? Okay, so I will explain later that, but it consists also three terminals: anode, cathode, and gate. And same way here are anode, cathode, gate, three terminals are here. This is the construction of light activated SCR, that is the last curve, which consists of a gate lead, cathode lead, okay, and a light sensitive area. This is the light sensitive area, okay, where the light is fallen or the light is given to this area. According to the intensity of light, this the area is activated and it provides the energy or the current to the gate terminal. Gate lead and hermetic seal. Hermetic seal means it is an airtight seal. Okay, means air is not possible to leak or move from inside to outside and outside to inside. That is one of the hermetic seal. Okay, so this is the construction of LASCA, which consists of a glass type container in which two plates and a light sensitive area is there, anode, cathode, and the three terminals are there. Okay, what is the important is the hermetic seal, gate lead, cathode lead, glass covering, and light sensitive area, and the three terminals. The symbol is same as that of a SCR, but it includes the two arrows which indicates that is a light activated SCR. Okay, anode, cathode. So this is the construction. So let us see how it works. Or a simple, we can use two transistor analogy again. This is the two transistor analogy of the SCR, anode, cathode. This is the PNP transistor and this is the NPN transistor. Light is fallen on this area. This area gets activated or the conductivity increases, and according to that gate current is increases. Gate current increases. That's why this collector current increases. According to that, this base current increases, and again the collector and the process goes on, and that's why it gets turned on. As I explained in the earlier working of the SCR by using two transistor analogy. So, what is the function of now gate here? You can use, means if the intensity is less, if the intensity is more, okay, whatever your requirement according to your requirement, if you are receiving very small light, then you can provide a positive pulse continuously here, and you can control by using the light. Next, if you want a negative, means if you want to stop it, or if you provide a negative pulse here, you can stop the working of the last thing. Okay, so this is the useful use of the gate here. So you hold means without light, if you want to turn on the SCR or the LASCAR without light, you can use the gate terminal to turn on it. This is the function of gate terminal. Okay, in the LASCAR. Okay. Six. हात तिरका कर हाँ आवाज रिकॉर्ड होता है